Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Mazda 3 heater. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always begin by verifying your coolant level. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. Next, visually inspect the heater hoses for any signs of leaks or damage. Finally, confirm your thermostat is operating properly, as a faulty one can prevent your engine from reaching optimal temperature. Many heater problems stem from the cooling system itself. If your coolant is low, the heater core won't receive enough hot fluid. A thermostat stuck open will keep your engine from getting warm enough to produce heat. Also, air trapped in the system can create pockets, hindering the flow of hot coolant to the heater core. If you're not feeling any air, the blower motor might be the culprit. This component pushes air through your vents. Also, the blend door actuator controls the mix of hot and cold air. If it's stuck, you might only get cold air. Don't forget to check the blower motor fuse, which is typically a 30-amp fuse, before replacing parts. Finally, a common issue is a clogged heater core. This small radiator-like component can get blocked, preventing hot coolant from circulating. You might try flushing the heater core to clear any blockages. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.